Hey guys, welcome back to the channel once again. It's a weeknight, guys. Bad weather over the weekend. Poor planning on my part. I didn't have a big, long, nice outdoor cook for you. This is a Tuesday night as I film. I pulled out some country style pork ribs, which is cut from the pork shoulder. Pulled them out of the deep freeze last night, and that's what we're doing for dinner. And I just want to bring you along. It's going to be a fairly fast cook. We are on the Monument gas grill tonight. I'm not even going to worry about smoke. I'm going to sear them off a little bit. I'm going to wrap them in some foil, and then we're going to steam them till they're nice and tender, guys, with a little barbecue sauce marinade inside there, just to fall in love. So let's get going. Let me show you what we're doing. Hey guys, you've seen this before. I couldn't figure out what I was going to use here. I'm going with my SPG plus butter from my friends at Grillaholics. That time for me to call them up and order another bottle. I'm about, getting a little low there. That's all we're doing here. I'm not even gonna put it on real heavy. Love this stuff. Love this stuff. I don't know if I can say it enough. I love this stuff. Link below will get you 20% off a bottle of your own, plus any other thing from Grillaholics. Sure and get all sides. This is all we're doing, folks. After this, I'm gonna fire up the grill and get them on there. Okay, yes, I know my glass is dirty. I will clean that up soon, I promise. Now let's get these guys on here. I'm hitting around 400 degrees on that grill. Let's get these on here and get some a little sear going on. We're going to sear these on all sides for just a couple minutes on each side. That's all we're doing. We'll check back here in just a couple minutes. Let's go over and give these a turn. Got some good little grill marks on here. So just been maybe 2 or 3 minutes. I'm gonna hit this on all sides actually. When we come back, we'll get this in the foil and let it get all tendered up. Yes, I said tendered up. That's a word in Kentucky, boys and girls. Alright folks, I apologize for the noise, the background noise. We got a lot of people outside. It's hot, so I'm not going to turn off the AC unit while I cook this time. I sometimes do. But yeah, I've turned this on all sides. Got a pretty good little sear. I'm going to pull this off and get this in some foil and go indirect and just bring this thing on up to the temperature. I'm looking for 195 to 200 on these, so it'll be nice and tender. So let me show you what we're going to do next. Okay, for starters, I'm going to turn this center burner completely off. I'm going to turn these 2 outer burners all the way down to completely low, and we're going to adjust our heat here. We're going to get it down close to 200. Probably adjust that back up to around 225, 250 for the rest of the cook. But yeah, let's get this put in some foil. Real simple from here, guys. I just got some no sugar added Sweet Baby Ray's sweet and smoky barbecue sauce. Got some left over in the fridge, and I'm just going to smother this in this.
Get this wrapped up. Should be plenty right there for the rest of the cook. Don't have to be real pretty, folks. Alright, let's go back on this top rack. We're just gonna let her cook. I will adjust the heat. I'm gonna try to get this up around 350 degrees, and we're gonna go till it's done right there. Guys, we've been in the wrap here for about 20 minutes or so. I just want to get some temps in here. I don't expect to be done. But, ooh, it's hot. My gauge did spike on me a little bit. 175. Got a little bit more to go. But again, I'm looking for 195, 200. You want those tendons and everything, the membranes and everything to break down to make this nice and tender. 183 here, so yeah, we got a little bit to go. So I'm gonna wrap this back up and let her keep going, guys. Next time we check back, we should be about there. Not gonna change a thing. Alright guys, we are pushing an hour here. We're 194. Yeah, we're there, guys. Let me get this out of here and back on the grate and let everything reset for just a minute, and we're going to pull this off and get a taste test, guys. Absolutely. Guys, would you look at that? Nice and tender. Everything. I'm going to turn this in its juices. And just put her over here, back on the top grates up here. Let everything set up on here again, the juices, the sauce that's mixed in there. And we're going to pull this off in just a few minutes. Okay, let's see what we got here. Beauty Miss had one fall apart on me. That's okay. With some very fresh green beans straight from a can. Don't judge me. Alright guys, there it is. Let's get a bite. It was a big bite. That is super tasty. You can really taste that SPG plus butter. We didn't sauce the ribs there, country style ribs, but you can definitely taste that barbecue sauce in as a marinade, how it just baked up in there in the foil. Very tasty, guys. Let me try one more bite. I'm gonna find a little piece here. That is so good. our fresh green beans from a can. We just use just a little onion salt in there just to season that up with. Very good, guys. Guys, thank you so much, as always. I enjoy putting out a video for you each week, and I was scared it was not going to happen this week, so thankfully I found these. I knew I could do them fairly quick on the Monument Grill, which we use a lot this time of year because it's hot out there, guys. I tell you what, very hot. And I was able to put this together for you. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. If you don't mind, hit that like button. That helps us out tremendously. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and hit that bell notification to let you know every time I post a new video. Guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.